What's up everyone and welcome back to the Comm channel. Just a quick video today because we get a ton of questions on our Comm Info Cards, and that's totally my fault because the info on these is sort of buried in a previous video instead of having a video dedicated to them. So that's what we'll be covering in today's video. So the first and most common question we get is, what are they and what is the difference between the basic and advanced cards? So as far as what they are, we have a number of these cards available in our store that are quick reference guides to a number of popular radios. Now these are laser engraved on metal, making them super durable and a great addition to throw into a go bag, emergency kit, or wherever you store your radio. For simple radios like the popular Baofeng UV-5R, there's only an option for a basic card covering things like basic controls and functions of the radio on one side, and info on programming channels and maximum power saving settings for the radio on the other side. Now for more complex radios like the VRN76 or UV Pro, for example, there's an option for both a basic and advanced card. The advanced card for these radios includes info on APRS operation on one side and BSS operation on the other side. We also offer a card with FCC information where on the front of it you can get your amateur radio call sign and GMRS call sign engraved on it, along with your FRN number, grant and expiration date, grid square, and what class of amateur radio license you have. The back of it has helpful information like VHF, UHF calling frequencies, HF, QRP calling frequencies, Q codes, and the phonetic alphabet. Now, one question we often get for these is how to provide the required info. Now, after you place your order, you'll receive an email with a link to a form to fill out where you enter in the info we need to fulfill your order. Now, you may notice that this form doesn't ask for things like your FRN number, license class, or the dates. That's because we've automated this process using a tool called N8N to make ordering as easy as possible. So instead of having to look up all of the required info, you just fill out the form and then our automation will grab the rest of the info from the FCC database automatically. We also offer a card holder wallet that you can have your name and call sign engraved on, which has its own separate form to fill out, which you'll receive a link to via email after ordering as well. Now this can really be any text that you want and doesn't necessarily have to be a name and call sign. And that just about covers everything, and we hope that clears up some common questions we receive on these Comm Info Cards. If you'd like to pick some up for yourself or maybe even a gift for someone else, it's a great way to help support the channel, and we'll be sure to have a link to our store below. Thank you all and have a good one.